The Cuisinart Griddler is an amazing small appliance that you need for your kitchen. It can be a grill, a griddle, a panini press, half grill, half griddle, whatever you would like it to be. It comes with interchangeable plates that snap in and out very easily to optimize your cooking experience. All of it is dishwasher safe. The plates, the grease strip tray, which makes for a much healthier eating experience, even the scraping tool that it comes with to help clean, all are dishwasher safe. This griddler is amazing. It really can become your best friend in the kitchen.